What is up, YouTube? Brandon Rogers here with Chili Dog Motorsports with a quick tech tip for you. Clean that chain. I just use a cheap kit from Walmart. You can use anything. Just clean it. All you gotta do is get some of the degreaser on the brush. Just kind of get it on there. And then start working it in. Now, I will note, it is helpful to have the bike up on a stand of some sort, but it's not necessary. You can do it on the ground. And then once your chain is nice and clean, you take some of the wax or lubricant, whatever you're using. You can also get it in a spray can. That works really good. I just get these cheap kits because they work and they're cheap. But you just take some wax or some lubricant or whatever you're going to use. In this case, we apply it to each chain link. Super easy. And you're done. Now keep in mind with this, frequency is far more important than intensity. It's going to be way more beneficial to quickly clean your chain only once a month than it is to deep scrub your chain only once a year. It's going to keep it from getting gunky. It's going to keep it from rusting and binding and breaking. It's a very overlooked maintenance item, but it is a very important maintenance item. So clean that chain. Just clean it. It's super quick. It's super easy. Your bike's going to appreciate it. You're going to appreciate it. As always, thanks for sticking around and watching our videos, but now it's time to get out of my driveway. Get out of here.